Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to find Safari downloaded files in iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and now scroll down until you see Safari. Just tap on Safari and here tap on Downloads. And here, as you can see, currently all of my Safari downloaded files are stored on my iPhone folder. So now I'm going to my Files app and tapping on this arrow, and here is the location where all of my Safari downloaded files storing. So I'm going to pin on my iPhone, and here go to Downloads, and here by default you will find all of your Safari downloaded files. And now to change your Safari download folders, go back to your settings and here tap on Other, and then you will be able to select a different folder to save your Safari files. To create a new folder here, I'm first of all selecting on my iPhone. Now to create a new folder here, just tap on this three dot and tap on New Folder and renaming the folder Safari Download. Tapping on Done and just tap on Open. And now whenever you download something from Safari, all of your downloaded files will be stored in this specific folder. And to see this folder, go to your files and go to on my iPhone, and here scroll down and here you will find the folder, as you can see. So this is how we can find Safari downloaded files in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.